Guess what time of the year it is? That's right, October. It's time to get ready for Halloween. So, I picked out a few things. My last video, guess we can take that off. My last video we went over kind of the things that we were gonna do in this next video to get ready for Halloween. Jack-o'-lanterns. Little candle holder on the inside. Put it up against the wall. They make some nice Halloween decorations. They always do an intro to the next video. This guy. It's a spider, if you didn't guess. We'll do that next. Something that looks kind of like this. I kind of went with the classic pumpkin look. I kind of picked these two. They're two different sizes. I showed you in the last video a little leaf. We'll try to do a little leaf in this video too. This one, we're going to cut it out, rust it, maybe make it so you can hang it on the wall. Let's get started. What do we need? Our metal. This piece is kind of nice. It's already rusted. Good piece to have. Sharpies. Remember, have a lot of them. Have them everywhere. Black ones. I like the silver ones too. Metal is rusty. You can use a silver one. Put it on there. You can see really well. Coloring pencils. You can get them cheap. Get different colors. Red, blue, white, whatever. All right. We got our stencils. Put them on the metal. Took our Sharpie. Traced them out. Let's do some cutting. Yes. Okay. Okay. We're good to go.
Saturday, 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 Saturday.
Done cutting. Whoop! That's nice. Looking good. Got our leaves, we've got our pumpkins, all that stuff. Got a mess. So, I recommend this handy little thing. Magnet. Get a couple magnets. They're nice. You can pick up your metal easy, right? Looking good. We're gonna take this. This will be welded on this, and this will kind of be able to sit up like that. Boom. This thing right here. It's a rock. Yeah, it's a rock. So, good tool to have actually. I could take my daughter and I'm like, hey, pick out some rocks. Thin, different size, shapes, stuff like that. What you can do with this, you deburr your metal. If you've got a sharp little flake or something, and you can deburr the edges of your metal, and then you won't get poked, pricked, whatever. Handy, and they're free. Pick them up wherever. The pumpkins. Pumpkins I like to give kind of a rounded look. Okay, put some seams in it and then ding it up a little bit, bang it up. It's a pumpkin, it's got to kind of have bumps to it. What I do here I have a small, solid piece of steel on my workbench, and then I use a thin piece of rubber kind of put behind it. That way, when you're beating on it, it'll embed it a little bit. So. See the little dimps? You put them out through the pumpkin, that kind of gives it some texture. I think I'm just going to take this chisel, the big hammer, the big boy. Alright, so we've got our pieces here. Everything's grinded out, cleaned up. Getting ready to do a little welding. Make these so they prop upwards. Let's do some welding. Okay, there's a light drizzle outside, a little bit of rain, so I'm just gonna paint inside. If you're gonna paint inside, crack the door, make sure you got a fan going, whatever. You don't wanna do a lot of painting inside without the proper stuff. You can wear a gas mask, right, if you're gonna be painting a lot inside. Let's get to it. I'm gonna use a couple different things for painting the pumpkins. I like to use like a high heat engine paint. If you're gonna be putting a candle behind it, it might get hot, so the high heat paint is nice. And then the leaf, I'm gonna also just use the same paint, it doesn't matter. And then I'll use a little bit of green and kind of make it look kind of like a fall leaf. So let's do it.